तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
सुरमुनिवन्दित गुणशीला
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
शिर्डी निवासा साई शंकरा शिर्डी निवासा साई शंकरा परती निवासा साई शंकरा परती निवासा साई शंकरा भावातीता भावगोचरा भावातीता भावगोचरा कालातीता काल भैरवा कालातीता काल भैरवा शिर्डी निवासा साई शंकरा परती निवासा साई शंकरा भावातीता भावगोचरा कालातीता काल भैरवा जय जगदीश्वर ओंकारेश्वर 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 शिर्डी निवासा साई शंकरा
भवतारिणी परतीश्वरी भवतारिणी परतीश्वरी सुखदायिनी साईश्वरी सुखदायिनी साईश्वरी भवतारिणी परतीश्वरी बन्धमोचनी प्रशान्तिवासिनी बन्धमोचनी
पांडुरंग
शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा शिव शङ्कर रूप महेश्वरताय शिव शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा शिव शङ्कर रूप महेश्वरताय शिव शङ्कर 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 साई शिव शङ्कर 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 साई ओंकार प्रिय शिव शङ्कर साई ओंकार प्रिय शिव शङ्कर शिव शङ्कर साई कैलास प्रिय शिव शङ्कर साई नट जन प्रिय शिव शङ्कर साई नट जन प्रिय शिव शङ्कर शङ्कर रूप महेश्वर साई शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा शिव शङ्कर रूप महेश्वर साई शङ्कर 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 साई ओंकार प्रिय शिव शङ्कर कैलास प्रिय शिव शङ्कर साई नट जन प्रिय शिव शङ्कर साई शङ्कर 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 साई शिव शङ्कर रूप महेश्वर साई शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा शिव शङ्कर रूप महेश्वर साई
शिव 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 शिरडी पुरीश्वर शंभो शङ्कर साम शिवो शिव 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 शिरडी पुरीश्वर शंभो शङ्कर साम शिवो भवहर पुरहर शिव शिव शिरडीपुरीश्वर शंभो शंकर सांब शिवो
पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला पाहे पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला पाहे करुणानादा दीनानाथा करुणानाथा साईनाथ हरे साईनाथ हरे विठ्ठला पाहे दीनानाथा करुणानाथा साईनाथ हरे पंढरीनाथा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला पाहे विठ्ठला पाहे पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला पाहे राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की
basis of sadhana bhakti is cultivating that relationship with Sri Krishna. It exists, but we have forgotten about it. Sri Krishna says, I am the seed-giving father of all living beings. He opens his eyes and creates the world, closes it, annihilates it. Then how will we connect with him? About 5 decades ago, the communist philosophy had flooded Kerala, and the communist ideology was dominating the political field. Karl Marx's theories were impacting the common people. And an episode occurred one day in a park when a political leader stood up to give a speech and openly challenged God. He said there is no such thing as God, he is merely a construct of the human mind. And he challenged, if there is a God, I am insulting him so much. May he throw a thunderbolt and kill me at this moment. I will wait for 2 minutes. For those 120 seconds, there was stunned silence in the audience. People were wondering what would happen and what would be its implication. When the 2 minutes ran out, the politician lifted his voice and said, "Look, I challenged and insulted God. Nothing happened. Either he is a coward who doesn't have the guts to confront me, or there is no God." People were feeling restless because their faith in the Supreme was being questioned and shaken from the root. When one saintly personality got up from amongst the audience and said, "Look, God is your eternal Father. Does he need to kill you to prove his existence? If a son says, if so and so is my father, may he kill me to prove that relationship, which father in the world would do such a nasty thing to his own child?" People heaved a sigh of relief. So the Vedas say, "Amritasya vai putra." Sri Krishna says, "Aham bij pradah pita." I am the seed-giving father of all living beings. In fact, our relationship with him is more comprehensive. Gati, Bharta, Prabhu, Sakshi, Nivasah, Sharanam, Surit. He is our resting place, our source, our abode, our well-wisher, our eternal benefactor, our eternal relative, father, mother, everything. That is why people go into the temple, they may know just one verse. They pray, "Tvameva mata cha pita tvameva. Tvameva bandhuscha sakha tvameva, tvameva vidya dharmanam tvameva, tvameva sarvam mama deva deva." My Lord, you are my everything. The basis of sadhana bhakti is cultivating that relationship with him. It exists, but we have forgotten about it. It's like those two college mates, Ramesh and Dinesh, who, having passed out of the same engineering college, met after 3 decades. Ramesh recognized Dinesh, but Dinesh had forgotten. So Ramesh kept on reminding him through various ways of their past acquaintance. And finally, Dinesh realized, oh, you are that Ramesh with whom I used to sit and do homework, and we would play cricket together and sit and have lassi at the college canteen. So, although they had a friendship, it had slipped out of Dinesh's mind. Likewise, we have our eternal relationship with him, but we have forgotten about it. So remembering it will require a little bit of effort. What is that effort? It's easy to say. Think of God as your very own. But when you get down to it, the question arises, where is he and where am I? And what is this connection? Arjun in the Gita, he requested Sri Krishna, I wish to see your cosmic form. Sri Krishna said, are you sure? Yes, Maharaj. Sri Krishna bestowed the divine vision, and Arjun saw the universal form of the Lord, innumerable hands, head, feet, the whole cosmos within his being, including Arjun and Sri Krishna. Arjun started trembling. Danshtra karala nichate mukhani drishtva kala nalasannibhani disho na jane nalabhecha sharma prasida devesha jagannivasa. Maharaj, my throat is drying up, my voice is faltering, my knees are trembling and my gandiv is slipping. Please hide this form. So when we go to establish our relationship with God, the question will arise, he is so immensely huge and powerful. He opens his eyes and creates the world, closes it, annihilates it. Then how will we connect with him? The solution is in sadhana bhakti. You remember he is so almighty, but for love, you put it aside and learn to develop your loving relationship with him. The basis of love is this feeling, he is mine. Consider this crude example. 70, 80 years ago in India, marriages were often arranged to such an extent that the boy and girl would not even see each other prior to their marriage. The parents would see and decide. Now imagine this scenario that the boy and girl are sitting in the wedding. They are both covered by the veil over the face, reciting the mantras the Pandit is asking them to, holding each other's hands, taking the 7 rounds around the fire, but have not yet seen each other. And yet the love has developed. This man who is sitting by my side is my husband. He's so nice. I will get his association, his caring protection. Have you ever seen him? Not yet. Without seeing, your mind is getting attached. That's because the intellect has decided, he is mine. Likewise, if the intellect decides, Sri Krishna is mine, Bhagavan is mine, we will develop love there as well. And that is what Upasana means. Up-asan. Asan means to sit. Up means to go close and sit. So you have to take your mind close to Sri Krishna. How will you do it? There are 5 bhavs or sentiments of devotion. First, Shant Bhav. He is my king and I am his subject. This is the sentiment of the Avadvasis towards their Ram, the Dwarkavasis towards Sri Krishna. The yogis who do Ashtanga Yoga, very often they are practicing bhakti in Shant Bhav. But Rasik saints say, just see him from far, have his darshan as king, does not fulfill the yearning in our heart. We wish to go close, press his feet, and so on and so forth. So now comes Dasya Bhav. He is my master and I am his servant. We now get the privilege of servitude towards him. And he is such an amazing master, he feels indebted to his servant. Ram sada sevak ruchi rakhi, Ved Puran sadhu sur sakhi. Ram sada sevak ruchi rakhi. The devotee thinks, how can I please my master? The master thinks, how can I please my servant? In fact, he becomes indebted. So Ram tells Hanuman, Prati upakar karo ka tora sanmukh hoi na sakat man mora. However, even closer than the sentiment of servitude is the sentiment of fraternal affection. He is my friend. Kripaluji Maharaj describes it. Dekho dekho ri haan, dekho dekho ri, gwala balan yari, dekho dekho ri. Take a look at Sri Krishna's friendship with the Gwal Bal cowherd friends. What amazing, loving interactions they share. Rijvat khel jitaya sakhan ko, ghoda bani bani banwari, dekho dekho ri. They play games, and in the games, the bet is laid. The one who wins will be the rider. The one who loses will be the horse. And Sri Krishna is lost. So, Bane Ghoda Sakha Savar. Sri Krishna is now the horse and the devotee is the rider. The devotee is giving a kick, chal ghode chal. And Sri Krishna with tears in his eyes is thinking, look at this devotee's love. He is completely forgotten I am God and is just seeing me as his friend. But in this relationship, the sentiment of service remains, and every cheshta or endeavor by the devotee is to give pleasure to his friend. It's just that the servitude has moved from Dasya Bhav to Sakhya Bhav. And even higher than that is the Vatsalya Bhav, where God has now become a child. This is the Bhav of Kaushalya to Ram and Yashoda to Krishna. Let's read about it from Spiritual Secrets from Hinduism. Vatsalya Bhav is so astonishing that even Narad became confused upon seeing it. When he learned that God had descended, Narad visited Braj and looked into the house of Nand and Yashoda. There he saw a little boy crying to be taken into a woman's lap. He wondered which of them was God. When he realized that God was the little boy, he looked at Yashoda in astonishment and exclaimed, "How can I describe your good fortune, Mother Yashoda? What sadhana did you do to get this seat? Not even Shankar and Brahma have attained the bliss that you are relishing. The Supreme Lord cries for your lap and you scold him." This is the amazing sweet nectar that flows in Vatsalya Bhav. The master of all, the father of everyone's father, Brahma's father, Sri Krishna, has become the son of Nand and Yashoda. Hence the famous verse says, यशोदया समाकापि देवता नास्ति भूतले उलूखले यया बद्धो मुक्तिदो मुक्तिमिच्छति. Can there be anyone as fortunate as Yashoda? He who is the bestower of liberation. He is called Mukund, bestower of mukti, has been tied by Yashoda to the mortar wheel. And he is pleading, Mother, I did not eat mud, please leave me. He is begging for his own mukti. So this is Vatsalya Bhav, and finally we have Madhurya Bhav, conjugal loving sentiments to the Supreme, where you see him as your soul beloved. Now naturally you feel most closely connected with your soul beloved. It was the sentiment of the gopis of Braj towards Braj Rajkumar Sham Sundar Shri Krishna. In that love, a gopi says, Pranamay kanamay kanamay pranamay. Hiye te na jani pare pran hai ki kan hai. She says, when I look at Shri Krishna, it seems like he is my very life heirs. And when I look at my life heirs, it seems as if it is Shri Krishna. I am now confused which is my pran and which is kan. This is the amount of union of the mind that has taken place through cultivation of the sentiment of Madhurya Bhav. So we can use all these bhavs to take our mind to God. Shri Krishna explains in the Gita, Tameva sharanam gaccha sarva bhavena bharata. Arjun, with every bhav surrendered to God alone, tat prasadat param shantim sthanam prapsyasi shashvatam. Then by His grace, you shall achieve the supreme destination. We have now understood another aspect of bhakti, Panch Bhav Upasana. We'll now get into the nitty-gritty of deeper aspects of sadhana in the remaining 3 episodes of Spiritual Secrets from Hinduism.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare Swami Satya Sai Hare Bhakta Jana Samrakshaka Bhakta Jana Samrakshaka Bhakti Maheshwara Om Jai Jagadish Hare Shashi Bhagana Shri Kala Sarva Pranapati Swami Sarva Pranapati Ashrita Kalpaladika Ashrita Kalpaladika लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति शांति शांति। जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की